Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Kate Debris, and today I will be showing you guys how I install and style this hair in this super duper cute half up half down style. And this hair was provided to me by Alipearl hair. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. All the links on this hair as well as a discount code will be listed in my description box. But before we get into the video, I'm gonna show you what all they sent in the package. Y'all, this package literally matches my room, like perfect. It's so cute. They sent some lashes and then they sent a razor. This is to cut the lace. Then they sent a scarf. I have so many of these scarves, y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these freaking scarves. They also sent me a toothbrush, an edge toothbrush. And they sent me another scarf, that one that says Alipearl. And then they sent some more lashes. They also sent some wig caps, but of course I have, you know, the wig caps on my head. And then last but not least, they sent me this really cute pink dust bag, which I get to put my wig in after I'm done with it so that it stays safe and I don't have to worry about my, you know, baby getting messed up. Cause y'all see this wig? Yeah. This thing can get messed up, period. I believe that's everything they sent in the package. I really love how my hair came out, so I'm so excited for y'all to see this video. But y'all already know, before we can hop into it, y'all gotta thumbs this video up and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in about 3, dang, I just put up 2. 3, 2, 1. y'all, this is the finished look. This is how everything came out. I love the way that my hair looks. This hair feels amazing. But since I just put in this hair, I can't give you guys like my thoughts on the longevity of this hair because, you know, I literally just put it in. So in about a week or so, I will drop down below my opinions on this hair. But so far, so good. All I had to do was bleach the knots on this unit. I didn't pluck it at all, and it looks so good, y'all. Like, really good. I love the length on this hair. The color is, of course, gorgeous. Like, do y'all see it? Of course, I will have all the links on this hair listed in my description box, as well as a coupon code, so do not forget to go down there and check that out. But y'all, this is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to thumbs this video up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my Cashy Baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.